So I'm asked to find the value of x. So I was given that the percentage of nitrogen in the compound was this 28.85%. Then I assume that from 100 grams of the compound, I could just find the grams of oxygen and nitrogen. So I just did this, I wrote that down, 28.85 grams of nitrogen. I converted it to moles. Then I did the mole ratio from hydrogen to nitrogen to find hydrogen. So from that, the mole ratio, I got it from right here. Then I converted it to grams of 1 mole of hydrogen. So this much grams of hydrogen there's gonna be in the compound in 100 grams of the compound. So I have that. Then I went to the nitrogen. So I mean to the what am I looking for oxygen. So from 28.85 grams of nitrogen, I convert that to moles. Then I did the mole ratio of oxygen and nitrogen. Then I multiplied it by the grams of 1 mole of oxygen. So I got this much oxygen in 100 grams of the compound. So then at the end, I could just find the grams of the carbon in 100 grams of the compound by just subtracting the grams of the other materials. So I got 49.48 grams of carbon in 100 grams of the compound. So I did the stoichiometry right here. I wrote all the grams down from every single material. Then I divided it by the grams of 1 mole of each material. So from carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen, I got these numbers right here. And then I just divided it by the smallest number, which was 1.03. So I did that for all 4 of them. And then I got 4 carbons, 5 oxygens, 2 nitrogens, and 1 oxygen. So the empirical formula is this, but since I saw that there's 10 hydrogens, 4 nitrogens, and 2 oxygens, which was just like double the amount of the empirical formula, I would just multiply all that by 2, and also the 4 just converted it to 8. So the value of x is 8.